If you've just built a workflow in GoHighLevel, one of the most important steps before you publish it is testing. Testing makes sure your triggers and actions are set up properly, and it helps you avoid surprises once real contacts start running through the workflow. To get started, open the workflow you're working on. In the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Test Workflow. Click that, and GoHighLevel will ask you to pick a contact. This is the contact the system will use to simulate moving through the workflow. After you choose one, hit Run Test, and the workflow will start as if that contact had triggered it. You'll be able to see how each action is processed and whether it behaves the way you expected. It's worth noting that the test feature isn't always 100% accurate. For example, if you reuse the same contact multiple times, the results might not look exactly the same as they would in a real situation. That's why the best way to confirm a workflow works perfectly is to publish it and test it live with real contacts. Still, the built-in test is a great first step for catching setup mistakes quickly. If something doesn't work during testing, don't panic. Most issues come from incomplete configurations, like a trigger that's missing a condition or an action that wasn't fully set up. Go back through your workflow, check each step, and make sure all required fields are filled out. The main idea here is to think of testing as a rehearsal. It gives you confidence that your workflow is heading in the right direction, but the real performance comes when it's published. Use the test feature to polish your setup, fix mistakes, and save time before going live. Once everything looks good, hit publish and let your workflow do the heavy lifting for you.